Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily change your LLC name with LegalZoom. So all you have to do is head over to LegalZoom and just click on the search icon. And from here, we're just going to start searching for make amendments and just press enter. And from the list of search results, just click on how to file articles of amendment and make changes to an LLC. And from here, we're just going to proceed by clicking on Get Started. You will then be redirected to an article. And as you can see here, if we read, it says here that if you have an LLC, corporation, or nonprofit, you can update your business name, address, and more by filing an amendment with your state in a few simple steps. So, as you can see, for us to be able to change or update our business name, we're going to need to file an amendment. And LegalZoom can help us with that. And what we're going to do is we're going to start to select plan. Just click on select my plan. We will be redirected here where we can view our plans that can help us file amendment. We have here the articles of amendment. This is file articles of amendment to officially inform your state of changes to your business name, address, and more. So if your goal is only change your LLC name, this package or this plan will do. And this costs only $129 plus state filing fees. And the inclusions of this package are creation of your articles of amendment, filing with the state, optional expedited filing, and delivery for approaching deadlines. We also have here compliance filings. Get your articles of amendment plus ongoing state and federal filings, attorney informed updates, and specialist support. And this will cost you $199 a year. And the difference between the two is that articles of amendment is only billed once, and this auto renews, meaning you're going to pay for this plan multiple times, and this includes additional amendment filings with the Secretary of State for other changes to your businesses and a lot more. You can read this article on LegalZoom's official website. And lastly, they have compliance filings plus licenses and permits. So this plan is basically compliance filings with more extras. This includes licenses and permits, and this will cost you $299 a year, and you're going to pay $299 multiple times a year. So basically, if you want changes on your business name, you can go for articles of amendment since this offers changes to your business name. But if you want to avail extras, you can go for compliance filings or compliance filings plus licenses and permits. Just choose what fits best for your needs. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!